Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your Twitch stream title, creator dashboard walkthrough step by step clearly. To change your Twitch stream title, start by logging into your Twitch account. Once logged in, locate the user icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the user icon to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select the Creator Dashboard option. The Creator Dashboard will now open in a new panel. On the left side of the Creator Dashboard, find and click on the Stream Manager tab. Once in Stream Manager, you will see the Edit Stream Information section. Here, you can find the current title of your stream. To edit the title, click on the pencil icon next to the title field. In the pop-up box, type your new stream title. Make sure your title accurately reflects your content. After you've entered the new title, click the Done button. Your stream title will now be updated immediately. Remember to check the final result on your channel page. You can also adjust other information such as tags and game selection here if needed. Once you're satisfied with the changes, you can return to your stream. You're now ready to engage with your audience under your new title. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.